This video showcases vehicles from the German makes of Mercedes-Benz and Porsche. Welcome to StickShiftStudios. This is the 2021 Monterey Car Week Tour de Elegance. If you've never been to Monterey Car Week and you're planning your trip, you definitely want to go to the Tour de Elegance. You can view the cars anywhere along Highway 1. Just pull off to the side of the road, find a good spot, and watch them. It's that simple. And obviously this is a free event, which is great. Thank you for watching my event coverage of the 2021 Monterey Car Week Tour de Elegance, featuring vehicles from Mercedes-Benz and Porsche. If you like this video, you may also like to watch some of my other Monterey Car Week videos from 2014, 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2021. Subscribe to StickShiftStudios today so you don't miss any new automotive event videos. Have a great day.